Good morning. This is Professor Jimmy. I am Mr. Devine's twin brother. I also teach music. I teach at the Southern Colorado University of Music. And today is the first day in this series of Will It Make a Sound? Today we're going to be talking about the science of sound. But first we have to define sound. Sound is the energy that things produce when they vibrate. And this energy ends up going through the air as sound waves. It's very similar to ocean waves, but a little bit different. Ask your science teacher about it. And when these waves travel to our ears, they make the inside of our ears vibrate, and our brains interpret that as sound. Now, the interesting thing about sound, it cannot travel in a vacuum. Let's experiment with that real quick. Oh, wait. That's the wrong kind of a vacuum. The vacuum I'm talking about is the absence of air, like you have in outer space. Because sound, to be able to travel, it needs air or water or glass or metal. But in outer space, there is none of that. So you're going to have an absence of sound. Now, maybe if you could be out in outer space, you need to ask your science teacher this one also. Maybe if you are out in outer space, then if you had a piece of metal stuck into your ear and someone set the other piece of the metal to vibrating, maybe you would hear that in your head. But we have, for example, a guitar. When you pluck the string, it sends the sound waves through the air and they come into your ear. I'm going to sing you a song. Aren't you glad this song is short? I know you are glad about that. So sound needs a medium to be able to make it to your ear and for you to be able to hear that. I have, for example, a conch shell. But before we do that, I want you to try this experiment with me. Wet your lips really well. Press them together and blow air out like this. Try it again and see if you can last as long as me. Take a deep breath. My lips weren't wet enough that time. Wait, let me clean the camera off a little bit. That's how trumpet players, tuba players, baritone players, that's how they make a sound on their instrument. And I've got this nice conch shell that I'm going to make a sound out of for you. I'm wetting my lips. Now, normally, conch shells would not be able to make a sound, but this one is a special one. It was made with that hole drilled through it to be able to vibrate your lips and make the sound. So your assignment is to find something in the house that you can maybe blow through. Try a straw or a cup. Try an experiment with several things. Something you can vibrate your lips and try to blow through. I know for sure you can do it with a straw, but find something else that might work. And until next time, this is Professor Jimmy. Have a great day and make some music.